Introducing the Optex OAM-EXPLORER motion and presence sensor for the industrial door market. The Optex OAM-EXPLORER combines industry-leading motion activation with advanced presence monitoring for increased safety. As a vehicle approaches the door, the system enters pre-notification mode, signified by a blinking orange indicator light. This mode allows traffic signals or other alerts to be activated and the doorway to be cleared. When the indicator light burns solid orange, the door is opening. As the vehicle moves further toward the open doorway, the sensor indicator light will glow solid red. This means it has entered the presence safety zone. With Optex's exclusive blue zone technology, indicated by the blinking red light, motion is detected even through the threshold and will not allow the door to close until the blue zone is safely cleared. Once cleared, the indicator light turns green, signifying that the door can now close. For more information, go to optexamerica.com. Thanks for watching.